today for the Bitcoin price. And guys, today and tomorrow will literally change everything for Bitcoin. This video is completely different from all videos I have made in the last few months or so. Let me go straight to it. I want to remain here on the weekly candles and I want to talk to you about what I am predicting for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term. If you are going out on Twitter, on YouTube, yes, everyone is bearish, and I do agree the chart is looking bad on the hourly, on the 4 hourly, right? Doesn't look all too nice. We just broke below this very important resistance of support in this case. Let me quickly pull that back. The support of 44,400. However, if we are zooming out on the weekly candles, there is one indication, one pattern, one price level we have to pay very close attention to, because the implications of that are changing everything for Bitcoin. Now, watch this video until the very end, smash up the like button to a new all-time high, and stick here with me. This video is gonna be a different one. Let's go into it. And we can see here the weekly candles for Bitcoin, right? Let me zoom out so you get a little bit of more context, right? This is the index chart. So you can see here we are having this 11-year trend line. The white line is the 11-year trend line, where you can see perfectly Bitcoin finding resistance here in 2011, going down like crazy, right? Bear market. Then we found another bull market high, 2013, Mt. Gox crash. Then we found another bull market high, 2017, massive bear market, really painful. I was there myself. And of course, now we had for the first time in history this double top almost, so to speak, with the Bitcoin retesting it 2 times, right? As you also know, the more we are testing the resistance, the more likely it is to be broken. Now the question is, are we going to break this? Well, before we are answering that, actually, let's zoom in. And you can see here this insane weekly candle crashing down and completely destroying all the Bitcoin bulls. I myself went out of my $2 million long position in a break even. But now I want to tell you something. Let me actually pull out the line chart. Maybe you remember how I was calling and predicting this W breakout actually for Bitcoin, the reason why I actually opened this trade in the first place. We broke actually out, did not hit my price target, but this is the thing. When Bitcoin went down, we never went back below the neckline. We are still at the neckline. So if you are shorting Bitcoin right now, you are shorting at support. Right now, Bitcoin is on a cutting, like A or B. If we are bouncing here, if we are closing the weekly candle above the $43,000 level, above the $42,600 level, that means a bounce could confirm the W breakout with a price target of $56,000, of course, here towards the upside. The moment we are closing below, I'm not gonna come out and tell you, hey guys, on the weekly candles we are bullish. I'm predicting higher price targets for Bitcoin. As long as we are above this neckline, there are severe indications that at least we have a high probability, a high chance for getting this bounce and for fulfilling this weekly W pattern, which is, of course, a weekly W is the most bullish W we could ever imagine, right? Maybe there's a monthly anytime in the future. This has never happened before. So this, dear ladies and gentlemen, is interesting. So before you are flipping bearish here on Bitcoin, I want to urge you, please guys, wait for this Sunday to close. Wait for the next weekly candle to start showing us here some kind of direction with volume support, because this W pattern could turn, at least potentially, into the most bullish movement we have seen for Bitcoin since ages, maybe even ever. I'm talking about a movement of $14,000-$14,000. Now let me know what you think about that. Obviously, I was also posting earlier something else. You have to understand, Bitcoin is absolutely finite, 21 million. And we are having MicroStrategy, we are having Cash App, like we are having every single sophisticated billionaire having an eye on Bitcoin at least. And Terra Luna is scooping up more and more Bitcoin. They just bought another $170 million worth of Bitcoin for their treasury. Every time this happens, this supply is taken from the market, basically eliminated, until they want to sell, of course, eliminated from the open market. So everyone who's buying is buying from a smaller circulating supply being available on the market. These events are very, very bullish for Bitcoin. This is something you have to keep in mind, guys. If you are screaming out bearish, Chris, what are you doing? Are you crazy? Please stick with me, at least wait for the weekly candle to close. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button. And if you want to be taking advantage of this potentially explosive trading setup, you might as well go down below. $10,000 free bonus. Click the links. Bybit, Femex, Binance. Bybit is my favorite. Has actually a almost $5,000 bonus, 4,650 or so. I have to correct this. And if you click these links after your initial deposit, you get these bonuses for free. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye bye.